Are you thinking of buying your first home? That can be very exciting, but also a bit overwhelming. I'm Cheryl Cook. I love homes and I'm a realtor with REMAX Nova. And today I'm going to talk about 3 mistakes that first-time homebuyers often make and what I help them do instead. Mistake number 1 is house hunting before you get pre-approved. It's really fun to go browsing and looking at houses, but if you fall in love with something that you can't get financial approval for, that stings. So instead, I work with my clients to make sure they have pre-approval before we start seriously house hunting. That way we understand your budget and what you're looking to spend, and that helps us choose the right home. Number 2 is discounting the value of location. Location is the one thing that you aren't going to be able to change about a home. So even if it seems like the perfect home, you're going to wake up every day in the wrong location. So instead, I take time to talk with buyers and figure out what kind of location works best for them. You may already know, or you may be open to some different ideas. But we talk about the pros and cons of different locations and make sure we're choosing one that's right for you. Number 3 is letting emotions override function. One of the best things I can hope for when we're house hunting is that you will find a home that not only meets your functional needs, but that you also have a really great emotional reaction to. You can picture yourself living there. But we can't lose sight of the function. It's very similar to location in that if it doesn't work, no matter how great you think you feel about this house, you're going to wake up every day in a home that isn't serving your functional needs. So instead, before we start looking, we ground you in the idea of the things that you need to have in a home versus the things that you want in a home, and try to keep that at the forefront while we're house hunting. So if you're thinking about buying a home, get in touch. I'll help you avoid the pitfalls and make a move that works for you.